So here's a look at the Super Mario Bros. Superstar Light Up Tree Topper. Let's get it open, get it on top of the tree, and see how cool it looks. So you get two things in the box. That's the Christmas tree topper right here, as well as the power cord. Now the tree topper is really cute. I love these little eyes right here. And this feels like really solid plastic, like it's going to last a really long time. It actually feels a lot more durable than what I thought it was going to feel like. You know, when I looked at it in the box, it looked like kind of a cheap plastic. But now that I have it out, I can tell that it's actually a very high quality plastic, really tough, really durable, doesn't look like it's going to scratch very easily. And you can see that it has this little bottom piece right here, and this is obviously where you're going to put it on top of your tree, so it will balance like that. And in the back here is where we're actually going to plug it in, and we're going to use the cord with that. So let's get it plugged in, see how it lights up, and put it on top of our tree. So first let's just plug that in there. Okay, now one thing I'll point out is he is a little bit heavier than I expected, and I'm using an artificial Christmas tree right here. So this piece on top was originally sticking up much higher, and he was too heavy for it. So I decided to fold this top piece down in half, and then I'm able to stick him on there. And there you go. Now my tree's able to hold him like that. Okay, now that I got him up there nice and sturdy, I'm going to plug it in for the moment of truth and see how it looks. Oh, he's so cute. I love it. It's got a nice soft glow to it. Looks really cool. Glows just like the star in the video game. I really like this. I'm very, very happy with this little star right here. Now you might see in the video, it looks like the screen is flashing a little bit and that his colors are flashing. That's not actually happening. What's going on is just that the frame rate between the camera and the lights that I have here are making it look like it's flashing, but actually it's just a solid, nice color and it looks really good. So don't worry about that. That's just a trick of the camera. Okay, so overall, I really like this little Christmas tree topper right here. I love the Mario theme. That's super cool. It's really cute. It was very easy to set up. Just plug it in into the wall outlet, plug it into the little Christmas tree topper right here, and there you go. So if you're looking for a new Christmas tree star and you like the Mario theme, I think you're going to love this one just like I do.